Samuel the rabbit had been left at home with a jigsaw to complete over the holidays. He began by trying to sort out where the borders were and fitting them together, and that seemed like a good plan. He found several of the pieces and fitted them together quite neatly. But after a while, it all became a bit much. It was too muddlesome trying to sort out how it all fitted together, especially when as you moved, all the pieces moved too. Didn't seem fair. So the best thing was to just have a burrow and a weight and to tuck your ear in carefully. Things would come good in the end. And they did, because he was a very resilient kind of rabbit. So back to it, he thought, even though it was very tiresome indeed. Okay, here we go. Let's get to it. Yep, it's amazing how quickly it started to fit together once you were on it. Sometimes all that was needed was a little pause, really. And then it all just seemed to go okay. Occasionally there were problems, and it seemed like there was nothing going, but then it all just started to work out. Yep, here we go. Wow, look how quickly it's going. She'll never believe it, he thought, when I tell Kathy when she comes home. Yay. Oh, wow, what's that? It's a rabbit, a proper rabbit. Look, just like me. Ha! Oh, what a precious little rabbit. Wonder where he belongs. Just there. Yep, all done.